Viewers, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will going to cover anatomy and physiology MCQ. So let's start the video. In the digestive system, where does most of the absorption of nutrients occur? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus. So the correct answer is option B. In the digestive system, most of the absorption of nutrients occur in the small intestine. The largest organ in the human body is brain, heart, liver, skin. So the correct answer is option D. The largest organ in the human body is skin. What is the function of the red blood cells, erythrocytes? Carrying oxygen, digesting food, filtration of toxins, producing antibodies. So the correct answer is option A. The function of the red blood cell erythrocyte is carrying oxygen. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? Insulin, testosterone, estrogen, thyroxine. So the correct answer is option A. Insulin hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Which of the following bone is found in the forearm? Femur, radius, tibia, fetula. So the correct answer is option B. Radius bone is found in the forearm. Which organ is responsible for filtering and detoxifying the blood in the body? Lungs, kidneys, spleen, pancreas. So the correct answer is option B. Kidney is responsible for filtering and detoxifying the blood in the body. The voice box is also known as the larynx, trachea, pharynx, epiglottis. So the correct answer is option A. The voice box is also known as the larynx. Which bone in the human body is often referred to as the collarbone? Femur, scapula, radius, clavicle. So the correct answer is option D. Clavicle bone in the human body is often referred to as the collarbone. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic life-sustaining functions such as breathing and heart rate? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, cerebral cortex. So the correct answer is option C. Medulla oblongata is the part of the brain which is responsible for regulating basic life-sustaining functions such as breathing and heart rate. The bones of the fingers and toes are known as carpals, tarsals, phalanges, metacarpals. So the correct answer is option C. The bones of the fingers and toes are known as phalanges. Which hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the body? Insulin, thyroxine, parathyroid hormone, estrogen. So the correct answer is option C. Parathyroid hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the body. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar levels? Liver, spleen, pancreas, gallbladder. So the correct answer is option C. Pancreas is responsible for producing insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar levels. The fight or flight response is associated with the release of which hormone? adrenaline, estrogen, melatonin, oxytocin. So the correct answer is option A. The fight or flight response is associated with the release of adrenaline hormone. What is the outermost layer of the skin called? Dermis, subcutaneous layer, epidermis, hypodermis. So the correct answer is option C. The outermost layer of the skin is called epidermis. How many chambers are there in the human heart? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct answer is option D. There are 4 chambers in the human heart. What is the smallest unit of life in the human body? Cell, organ, tissue, organism. So the correct answer is option A. Cell is the smallest unit of life in the human body. The process of breaking down food into smaller molecules for absorption is called respiration, excretion, digestion, circulation. So the correct answer is option C. The process of breaking down food into smaller molecules for absorption is called digestion. Which of the following is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress? Thyroxine, cortisol, melatonin, estrogen. So the correct answer is option B. Cortisol hormone is produced by the adrenal gland in response to stress. Which of the following is not a component of blood? Plasma, platelets, lymphocyte, hemoglobin. So the correct answer is option C. Lymphocyte is not a component of blood. In which part of the digestive system are most nutrients absorbed into the bloodstream? Stomach, esophagus, large intestine, small intestine. So the correct answer is option D. Small intestine is the part of the digestive system in which most of the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQs.